isang video. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang aking bagong macro. Nakagagawa ko lang ngayon guys, using auto clicker for mobile players to guys. Yan. Tara, punta tayo gear shop. Ganito yung first aba ko guys, ginagamit ko lang. Show me the gear shop, tas papakita ko yung layout. Yan. Yan yung first layout guys. Yan. Ito yung layout ng mga ko guys, macro. Yan. DIY macro lang to guys. Ito guys yung pang swipe papunta sa taas, papuntang una na naman guys. Pakita ko na sa inyo guys, wag na tayo magsalita. Let's go. Ganyan guys, kumana macro natin. Yan, tutorial tayo bukas. Yes.
So obviously myself and Jonas have been running this absolutely giant candy blossom scheme where my raccoons have been going into his garden and getting all of these candy blossoms.
Guys, nasira guys macro. Nangyari. Tangina naman eh. Guys, nasira macro. Show you an example of one of these candy blossoms. So this is a chocolate celestial moonlit frozen shot. Basta tutorial tayo bukas guys. Basic lang naman to gawin kahit masira yan guys. Ay ayos na guys. Custom macro ito guys. 1 by 1 papuntang master. Masisir, guys, ganyan talaga yan. Tapos swap back tayo guys. Tapos ganun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching for today's video. Salamat guys. Tutorial na lang tayo bukas. Or mamayang gabi na lang. Station para makita yung tutorial paano yung macro. Subscribe na rin kayo guys.